morning. My name is Nathan Woodward, and today I will present my findings on the species Bertmainius Colonus. The species Bertmainius Colonus, or more commonly known as the Eastern Sterling Range pygmy trapdoor spider, is a type of spider belonging to the arachnid class, the phylum of the spider being Arthropoda. The species is endemic to the Sterling Range National Park in Western Australia. Spider size is typically around 6 to 10 millimeters. The burrows of these spiders are in soil banks next to short-term streams, gullies, or riparian zones. The spider, based alone off size, makes it hard to identify the species as it's quite easy to miss. It is made easier to identify the Eastern Sterling Range pygmy trapdoor spider. The spiders in general are either black or brown. The spider has a light brown belly with a deeper brown coloured head and abdomen. There's not much information about the origin besides stating that the species was found previously in the Eastern Sterling Ranges of Western Australia. However, an interesting article by Cooper, Harvey, and Saint stated that there was new evidence tracing mitochondrial DNA to link Bertmainius colonus with other Gondwanan species found in wet forests of southwestern Australia. Or also suggests the valleys and ridges these spiders were found in acted as refuge for the species to shelter against the harsh climate of Australia. Based off of a report done by Burke, the trapdoor spider will very rarely move from its birth location. Because of this, it can be presumed that the Eastern Sterling pygmy trapdoor spider has remained in the national park region for many years before being seen. The population of the spider was drastically reduced during the 2018 bushfires in Western Australia. Listed from the Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment, Bertmainius Colonus' first conservation status was listed as endangered in 1994, and since then has been lifted to vulnerable, which was updated in 2015. The latest update, as from Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment, and Cooper, Harvey and Saint, is the species Bertmainius colonus is listed as vulnerable both in 2018 and 2019, but it is noted this could change because the species is quite vulnerable to fire events and dry climate. Bertmainius colonus is quite difficult to find information about the species. However, in a report done by the Department of Biodiversity, it is compared to other species of myomorph spiders and presumed their lifespan is more than 5 years. Little is known about the reproductive cycle. It is known that male spiders will only venture several meters in their lifetime to find females. It's also presumed that species approach female burrows to detect whether the female is ready to reproduce based off the pheromones given. The female, when ready to reproduce, will lay a single egg sac with 15 to 40 eggs. The spiders feed on other small invertebrates and will wait till night to catch and drag their prey into the burrow, where it is bitten and injected with venom. The species differs from many other arachnids for many reasons. One of the main characteristics is the size of the species, being only 6 to 10 millimeters in length. This varies from other trapdoor spider species averaging at 25 millimeters. Even though the species Bertmainius colonus belongs to a tree-dwelling family, this individual species builds its burrow in grounds, in gullies and ridges. These underground burrows can sometimes be the reason of survival during natural disasters like bushfires.
Created using Powtoon.